I wish our engineering team is we're here. No? They are the ones attending to those upgrading concerns. But we just happen to know, we from the system operations, of course, nakikita din namin yan yung mismong sinasabi ni Sir Noel. So, almost nasa rated na yung current load nyo, no? So, 96, 95% na ba yung load? 92, between that, no? So, we raised same concern to our engineering group, and there is a plan, no? For the reconductoring ng line, but the challenge there is yung, of course, may interrupt kayo sa haba ng mga ilang kilometers siya, no? But there is that plan, I happen to know, no? Sorry. And then, but there is also plans of mention na ilulog yung Oroqueta, no? So that is just the timing issue. No? So, yun yung mga plano to continue to cater yung mga load growth ng area. No? So, there will be yung Sir Output, no, yung per customer na pinupuntahan nyo yung ano, diba?
Yes po, sir.
So, pwede na-discuss more yan with our engineering presentation.
We have that, sir, that regular cluster meeting is what we call those events, where we go to your place po to have a dedicated discussion, especially regarding the updated load growth in your area. So that's led by our RA together with our engineering team, the one specifically handling transmission planning, sir. For the line, sir, Aurora, Calamba, 69 kV, that is actually included in the 6 regulatory period projects of NGCP. But with this development, sir, 6 RP runs from 2028 to 2032. But with this development, sir, we will see if we can pull that in, make it earlier, sir, considering the imminent overloading of the center. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As we discussed kanina, di ba pupunta po kayo sa Monsito to discuss that. So, I hope, sir, we could hear during that time yung concrete plan po ng rehabilitation of that line. Para at least naman we have something to look forward into. Para yun din yung iisipin namin, and we could also discuss that with our upcoming customers also.
Mr. Chairman, can I